In this recording, I'd like to show you the SolidCAM module of drill recognition. Drill recognition automatically recognizes holes for drilling from the solid model with the option to modify the results. Now, a single drill recognition operation creates groups of holes with a common diameter at varying levels and depths for machining with a single tool. You can also do a spot drill operation on all the hole sizes in one operation, accommodating for the diameter for each holes. Let's take a look at how this works. We'll start by creating our first operation by going to the drill recognition, and first we'll choose our geometry. Now when we choose our geometry, I'd like to limit the hole diameter that it's going to recognize to this one over here. So we go to hole diameter and we'll just give it the maximum size of this particular diameter, find our holes, and you can see all the hole features were recognized on the part. We'll accept that. We'll choose our spot drill, and in our levels we'll just do a little modification of our depth. I want to adjust it that specifically for chamfer and spot drills, as shown over here, to go down to that proper diameter, and I'll apply that to all of the holes. And the chamfer depth, I want it to be at 0, just to get to the actual diameter of each hole. I'll choose that for all the holes as well and apply that. We'll accept that. And all I have to do now is save and calculate. If we run our simulation, you'll see that every single hole has a spot drill applied to it, and everyone is done in accordance to the diameter of each one of those holes. You can see the different hole sizes over here. Next, I'd like to create another operation just for this size hole over here. It's a 6.8 millimeter hole, which I have on different levels. So I'll start another drill recognition operation, choose my geometry, and as I said, I'd like to limit it just to this size hole over here. So we'll go to hole diameter, and I'll click in this field from and click on the edge of the hole, and it'll automatically populate these fields to pick up those diameters only. So when I click on find holes, it'll only choose the hole features that have that diameter, and you can see it on different levels of the part. We'll accept that. Again, choose the proper tool that I need, in this particular case, the 6.8 millimeter drill. And my levels, I'm just going to leave it exactly the way it is. I'm just going to do now save and calculate, run my simulation, and you can see that every single hole is being drilled out according to the proper depth that needs to be done. And it's only those holes that are being drilled out.